Welcome to the Space-Time Rhyme Game from Reading Recipe. If two words rhyme, like book and look, then you'll do jumping jacks. And if they don't rhyme, like book and bat, then you'll sit down. Let's go. Coat, goat.
Hey, that rhymes.
Chair, bear.
That rhymes.
Chair, 3.
That doesn't rhyme.
Star, car.
That rhymes.
4, door.
Hey, that rhymes.
4, fish.
That doesn't rhyme.
Horn, drum.
That doesn't rhyme.
Light, leaf.
That doesn't rhyme.
Corn, horn.
Hey, that rhymes.
Night, kite.
That rhymes.
Shark, shoe.
That doesn't rhyme.
Dog, frog.
That rhymes.
Truck, duck.
Hey, that rhymes.
Spoon, fork.
That doesn't rhyme.
Spoon, moon.
That rhymes.
Clock, sock.
Hey, that rhymes.
Soap, sock.
That doesn't rhyme.
Bat, cat.
That rhymes.
5, 10.
That doesn't rhyme.